is a little bit powdery. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks, wow. Yeah, I can see the shimmers now, but it's not bad. I don't want to apply too much. Okay, this looks so beautiful. Let me zoom you in. Like, you see? And I have some glitters from my eyelids. The complexion glows with natural looking radiance. Yeah, but I feel like now I have way too much shimmers on my face. Anyway, let's go with the actual blush. This is in the shade Roman Holiday. Actually, this one, it doesn't have any glitters, any shimmers, whatever. It's completely matte and I don't get it. This is gorgeous. Wow, I'm going to apply just a tiny bit, even though this is matte. It's kinda powdery. I have a lot of fallout. Oh, okay, too much. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I applied too much. My face looks like a clown right now. Anyway, moving on, I do have a highlight. Actually, I couldn't find any highlights besides this one. I'm not really a fan. I feel like it's, again, a little bit too dark for me. This is the Metallic Glow highlighter in the shade Taurus. So it looks like this. So beautiful. It looks super metallic, but when I swatch this on my hand, it doesn't look metallic at all. The color is so beautiful. Oh, my brush is packed. Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, pardon me for judging you. So, mi scusi signori highlight, I judged you too early. Wow. This reminds me of the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, the shade Glow Getter. Very, very similar. I look like a glowy clown. I went too crazy with the blushes. And the bronzer is shimmery, but the highlight kind of saves the look a little bit. Ah, this smells so good. Let me bring you closer so you can see the highlight. Everything melted together. I am highly impressed by the quality. I cannot believe I have SHEIN makeup on my face. You see this makeup, like, gorgeous, gorgeous. Anyway, next I'm going to do a wing liner because I bought a liquid liner. This is Diamond Glitter and Are Loved. What? Diamonds glitter and are loved. I don't know what that means. This is the Dazzling Star eyeliner, and actually the packaging looks like very high-end makeup. Like, it has weight. It looks like it has glitters on this part and it's kind of fading. Gorgeous. SHEIN, you nailed it with this packaging. I hope it's good. So I got the Schaller. I got the Schaller black. Yeah, this is 01 black. So it has like a felt tip, like a normal felt tip. Okay, so because I have glitters, it's a little bit hard to draw a perfect line because, you know, the glitters kinda get in the way, but this is super black and the tip is so fine. You can be very precise and it's not shiny. Like, on my hand it looks a little bit shiny. It's not moving, but on my eye it doesn't look shiny. Absolutely gorgeous. I have no words. Anyway, next I have a mascara, but you know I'm not a huge fan of mascaras because I do apply fake lashes. Also, I bought some fake lashes from them, but this is the all-in-one volume and curl mascara. It looks like this. It comes with two brushes. I guess this is the volume and this is the curl. Okay, so it looks like this, and I feel like it has little fibers like this part, the volume one. I don't know if you can see that. Also, when you do wings, it's kind of hard to see the lashes, especially if you have small, fine, 3 lashes like me. But I'm going to apply this mascara, you know, and then I'm going to go with fake lashes. Yeah, I have to go like this so you can see my lashes. Anyway, next I'm going to go with the volume wand and see if that makes a difference. Oh, it does. Oh yeah, I see a little bit of volume. Oh, you can see my lashes a little bit now. The mascara is not bad, but I have to try it without the wing liner so I can see the lashes, but not bad. My lash doesn't look clumpy or like I applied way too much. Yeah, no, they don't look clumpy at all, but you can see my lashes are so short. Okay, the mascara dries pretty fast, which I really like. It doesn't stay wet. That's super annoying. Next, I have 3 style of lashes. It comes in a set of 3 pairs and they don't have names, like it says never flat on all of them. So I think I'm going to go with this style. I don't know what to say, I'm speechless. Anyway, lips, and I think we are done. I did bought 2 lip liners, but I don't want to use them because I already have too much on my eyes. They're very red. Next I bought the lipstick that it came with the Stay Wild collection. This is the nude liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. It looks like this. I think I'm going to go with this one, but also I purchased this mini trio lipsticks or lip glosses, I don't know. So I also have this nude. Alright. Doesn't smell. I don't know why did I. Because it doesn't smell. Oh, okay, yeah, so definitely this looks like a peachy. I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to line my lips very quick with the ColourPop BFF liner. Feels very creamy, and I think I need a brush. It feels a little bit drying, not gonna lie. Also, my lips are super dry right now and is enhancing every single wrinkle line I have on my lips, which is not cute. I don't like that, but the color is so pretty. Let's see if it's transfer proof. Nope. Nope. I see the lip liner but not the lipstick. No. So yeah, this is definitely a matte liquid lipstick. Should I go with a little bit of this one on top? Yeah, let's do that. Even though it's a different color, this is a velvet finish, so let's see how it feels. It's a little bit hard to blend it with the matte lipstick because, you know, it's matte, but I feel like my lips look better now. Look at that. Wow. Right? Alright, so I don't have anything else to put on my face, even though I feel like I have a lot of products on my face. It doesn't feel heavy. I feel a little bit the glitter on my lids, but other than that, everything feels pretty nice on my skin. Like, I do feel the lipstick. As I said, I feel like I have a lot of lipstick. Yeah, I am so impressed with everything I tried in today's video, I didn't actually expected the quality, you know, like the quality is there. You totally saw that. Like I couldn't fake that. I couldn't fake that. I do have a few things to say about this eyeshadow formula, mostly about the dark shades. I'm not really impressed. They feel super powdery. I did had a lot of kickback in the pan, not on my face though, but they feel super powdery and they're a little bit hard to blend. But I didn't have any issue with this shade that I used first in my crease. That's so beautiful and it blended super nice. I did had fallout from the shimmers, that's absolutely normal. I love the shimmers though, or metallics, whatever they are, and this color looks so beautiful in the pan. I feel like this is more like a topper because I use this in my inner corners and it doesn't have color, it's just the glow, you know. It's not really glitter, I don't know how to name it. It looks beautiful though. So overall, I feel like this is a good palette. The foundation looks amazing still. I feel like it took me 3 hours to film this video, you guys. I have a lot of products here, okay? The foundation, it still looks beautiful, especially around my mouth. That looks good. The concealer, wow, bomb, amazing. The highlight, it looks gorgeous on the face. It didn't look like so on my hand when I swatched that. You know what they say, don't judge a book by its cover. So I'm sorry, my little highlight, you're gorgeous, amazing, stunning. I don't know, you guys, I love everything I used in today's video. I still have 2 products that I didn't use them on my face, but I don't know, I feel like I don't have one product to say, well, I didn't like this because that and that. I don't know, I feel like everything worked so nice for me. I don't like the packaging, like the applicator is a little bit strange, and also this is super pigmented. Please be careful if you decide to purchase this. The sponge I'm not really a fan of, but is not bad at all. So very cheap, very affordable. Actually everything I used in today's video is super affordable. SHEIN, I don't know where you make this product or what you put in them, but they are so good and so cheap. I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. What kind of trickery is this? And let me know if you guys would purchase makeup from them, because to be completely honest, everything looks too good to be true. You feel me? So yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, okay. It's not transferring. That's a good thing.